Welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something. I'm just here to find those A winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting company called Atea Pharmaceuticals. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. Atea Pharmaceuticals, so they are a clinically staged biopharmaceutical company, and they're really trying to discover and develop some therapies for some really unmet needs for patients with life-threatening viral diseases. Let's take a look at the leadership team, founder, chairman, CEO, Jean-Pierre Sommadesse. Really outstanding, high-qualified management team. I really started to hear about this company. They basically started enrolling patients in a clinical study recently, and they got their with life-threatening viral infections, including SARS-CoV-2, dengue virus, hepatitis C, respiratory syncytial virus, which has been in the news frequently, which is basically a common really symptom infection of your respiratory tract and lungs. Sometimes it just resolves spontaneously, but can be really severe, leading to bronchiolitis, which is basically infection in the small airways and lungs, and even pneumonia. Respiratory syncytial virus is no joke. You probably heard it in the news recently, including, patients that are immunocompromised, older patients, premature infants. But they have a combination, bemnifosbuvir and ruzavir, for hepatitis C, and that combination, as a single agent and both in combination, has demonstrated basically pretty good antiviral activity against hepatitis C. Now, you probably heard of the ruzavir because it's an oral drug. It's been studied by Merck. It's been licensed by Merck, evaluated. It's an NS5A inhibitor for treatment of chronic HCV, and it's been licensed by Merck. So they're already in phase 2 studies with that. That's pretty exciting. So hopefully that goes smoothly. They got a lot of data they're going to report on. It's potentially, can be used in co-administration with ribavirin, which some people know that can cause a whole sorts of wide range of side effects. So let's take a look at the pipeline. They got a lot going on. Here's the bemnifosbuvir. They have in their phase 3 studies. They just started dosing their first patients with that. Phase 2 study for hepatitis C. They also have dengue virus, and then preclinical, not in clinical trials yet, but stuff in the works, preclinical data regarding RSV. So I'm pretty excited about their pipeline here. Let's take a look at their stock price. Stock symbol AVIR, Atea Pharmaceuticals. Time in the video is trading at $4.67. I do think this is a very interesting company. A lot of potential, a lot of big risk, big reward potential here. I'm going to continue to monitor this company. Because I think they have a lot of potential in their pipeline. They'll have a lot of data that they're going to be reporting in the coming quarters. So it'll be really interesting to see what happens with these clinical trials, the primary endpoints. That's all the time I have for this video. If you did enjoy this video and the content I'm creating, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe, helps my channel grow. I'll continue to monitor the company. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.